If you are one of those who wish to go abroad and pursue your higher education, but you feel afraid of facing your examiner and answering the questions properly, don't feel afraid anymore, because in this video I'm going to explain the do's and don'ts of IELTS speaking part first, which will enable you to get a higher score and overcome your fear and anxiety of facing your exam. Hello, this is me, Sadiq Akbar, TEFL Soul Certified Trainer and Career Counselor, and you are watching my YouTube channel, English and Professional Development. IELTS isn't just the assessment of your information, rather that is the test of your proficiency level. How proficient you are in giving your answer and utilizing all the components properly so that it may look convincing to your examiner. And in accordance with your performance, he or she may rank it and give you must ascertain your proficiency level. The part first of IELTS lasts for 4 to 5 minutes, in which you ask for general topics which are quite easy for you to express yourself, ranging from your hometown, your hobby, relationship, family members, studies, picnic, tours, tourism, a number of others. All these are those topics you have already experienced them in your life, or you know because you have studied about them or you have observed that in your community or in society. So there are some do's and don'ts which you may have to ensure for scoring higher bands in IELTS. So what are those? Let's start with the don'ts first. So the first don't is that you don't have to give a monotone answer. The monotone answer means that you only give a one-sentence answer, which is insufficient to your examiner to determine whether are you proficient enough, do you have fluency, what is your vocabulary range, and the proper use of the grammatical structures. The second is that you don't have to steal the words from the examiner's question. Once you do that, it gives the impression to the examiner that you don't have any other word than the one has been used by the examiner. And it also gives this impression that other than these, you don't know any other word to articulate and express your ideas. The third is, you don't have to give the answer in yes and no only. These are not just day-to-day life questions which you are confirming by giving yes or no. Rather, it is your spoken test where you have to make sure to give a convincing answer. Along with these, there are some do's as well which enhance your proficiency level and enable you to score higher bands in IELTS. So the first is you have to give a complete answer. Which may extend 2 to 3 sentences, first paving way for your answer, hitting the main area and giving the conclusion at the end. The second is you need to bring harmony in your speaking by using linking or transition words. Once you do that, it gives this impression to your examiner that you are proficient enough that before talking or articulating yourself, you bring harmony between or among your sentences. For instance, if the examiner asks you about, what do you think? What is your opinion? So instead of just giving straightforward answer, it is a lot better that you should express your opinion first by the transitional words or by linking words such as in my opinion, as far as my view is concerned, in my viewpoint. Or if there is a matter which has got 2 aspects, so it can be easily such as on one hand, on the other hand. So these are all the connectors or the linking words which bring harmony in your speaking, arguments and expressing yourselves. The third is that when you are expressing yourself all the time, repeating only one word seems very monotonous. If you have a single word and you're time and again repeating that, so it gives the impression to your examiner that other than this word, you don't have any other word to express yourself or your thoughts. So it's a lot better that you should find a synonymous phrase so that you may give this impression to your examiner that not only this one word or phrase, I have enough lexical resources to express my ideas and thoughts. Last but not the least, you should express yourself in a variety of grammar structures, not only just using one single structure. Rather, you should properly use many so that you may express yourself to the examiner to get higher bands in IELTS. So before appearing in IELTS exam, try to make sure that you have all these do's and don'ts checklists to ensure your higher band scores in IELTS. Thank you for watching.